Welcome back to my kitchen, and today I'm going to make famous tandoori chicken in less than 20 minutes in an air fryer, and it will taste as if it came from tandoori oven. For today's dish, I'm using 4 leg pieces: vinegar, lemon, ginger garlic paste, and tandoori masala. That's it. Next, I'm going to add 3/4 cups of vinegar, and I'm going to add 2 cups of water. The chicken has to be totally drowned, soaked in vinegar, lemon, and salt. And I'm gonna put this in the fridge for at least 6 hours. Then I'm gonna throw the water out and put the masala on it, tandoori masala. So after 5 hours of brining the chicken in lemon and vinegar water, we're going to drain the water out, and then I'm going to put the other spices. Next step, I'm going to use 3 tablespoons of chicken tikka masala. This is store brand. 2 tablespoons of minced ginger garlic and 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Then mix it, rub it all over the chicken, and I'll put it back in the fridge again for at least 3 hours to marinate, and then I'm going to air fry it. So this chicken has been marinating for like 3-4 hours in the fridge. I took it out half an hour ago, and I am going to place it in this basket right here. And then we'll put back in the air fryer. I've set it up to chicken 380 degrees for 25 minutes. Even though it's preheating, but I'm going to put it in there. This. I'm gonna turn it. It's hot. And it's going to cook for another 11 minutes and it will be done. There's 2 minutes left, but let's open and see. I think it's done. Look at this. Fresh out of air fryer. And it smells and tastes like it came from tandoor.